Hello students, let us see the one problem student. For spontaneous process, okay, that is 2f is converting into f2. The sign of delta h and delta s are respectively, right student? So if you talk about student 2f, this is the gas, it is giving f2, this is also gas. Moles you see student, moles, 2 mole is here student in the reaction side and product side 1 mole. So product side mole is decreasing student, or decreasing means delta S is negative. Okay. Now student, what they are, we know what is the delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Okay. So dear student, if delta H you leave it out, suppose temperature T and here is S is negative, this is S is negative. So S is negative value student. So what is coming in this case if you total multiply? So delta H is minus into minus, this is coming plus, okay, plus value, it is coming plus value. For a spontaneous process delta G has to be negative. So how it can be negative? When student, when delta H is negative, so delta G gives free energy will be negative, okay. So that is, this has to be negative, okay student. Now let us try to understand with the example. Okay, suppose delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Suppose it is having a student delta H value, we have to keep it, suppose it is 100, okay, and here is, that is temperature is, that is 100 degree. Entropy is negative, how much is coming in negative? Suppose it is, this will be 200 student. Suppose entropy is negative 1, okay, and here is in the between multiplication is there. So you solve student 200 and minus into minus plus, okay. So that is plus 100 is coming, and this delta G has to be negative student, okay, this is negative. So that the Gibbs free energy will, how much come student? Minus 100, delta G will come minus 100, okay. So then if it is coming minus 1, so it will be, that is spontaneous, okay. So that is spontaneous because the reaction they have already said that is spontaneous process. So dear student, we have to keep delta H negative so that the Gibbs free energy will come negative, right student? So that correct option will be student option number 1. This is not 1, option number 3rd, both are negative. Let us read out the slide. The following spontaneous process is given 2F gas to F2 gas. We see that the reaction occurs, the number of moles decreases due to delta S also decreases. If the number of moles is decreasing, due to which delta S is also decreasing. Okay, simple concept. However, since the process is spontaneous, delta H also has to be negative. To make delta G negative, we have to keep that delta H negative. So correct option is option number 3rd student. Thank you so much for watching dear students.